You know, in game theory, if you can't win, you cheat. And I think a lot of people try that. But the second best way to win, per game theory, is to collaborate. And after all my years of experience, luck comes to the collective, but there's one thing you have to add to the collective to keep it all in-house, just among the team. I'll show you one of the quick ways I've learned how to win based on the collaboration I've had. Right here, the market has a problem, and that problem generates a significant buy or sell signal within a very short period of time. On the left-hand side, you've got the Elliott wave count on the S&P Financial Sector, XLF, a bellwether for the general market. In other words, where the banks and the brokers go, the market goes. On that chart, you see the Elliott wave count. Very simple and straightforward. You can go back to the major bottom, follow the post-triangle thrust, and the channel breakout. From that low complete, you've got a 5-wave structure, which implies that the overall uptrend is done. It's over. Up to here, into this point, you've got 5 waves up in a weak diagonal triangle. That's it, done. When that happens, you expect a waterfall decline. So far, it hasn't happened, and any new highs from here would negate that count. Rule number 1. There's nothing more bullish than a reverse sell signal, and you're on the lookout for new highs here, which would extend the 5th wave, the advance, meaning we're going higher, higher, higher. Cycles have turned up. We did get a short-term low right on cue based on our lunar 2-week cycle, November 7th. Momentum gave a breakout signal back on October 21st, RSI, based on the Connie Brown's RSI indicator, is making new highs, all bullish. So the stage is set for a major breakout in the banks and the brokers. If that happens, all the super bears get blown out of the water. Simple as that. Buddy, that is a big if. Rule number 2. If the market reverses here, if it fails to make new highs and hold on a closing basis, that, on the other hand, would confirm the bearish outlook and our long-term risk-off, sell all stocks advisory gains confidence. Talk to you soon.